You guys, good morning and welcome back to the channel. Today is Sunday. They fixed our washing machine. The day they fixed it, I was not around, so I couldn't film the unboxing and all of that. This is our first day we are going to use it. They've connected it for us. So guys, let's go try to use it. We'll start with these ones. I've sorted the clothes, so I wash them one by one. Let me put these ones first. So let's go and check out our machine. I don't know if it's working. See where they installed it. The painters are here to come and paint this thing, to paint this area, because they brought out wiring from inside the dining area as there was no space for machine here. So this is it. What is this one for? Let's test it out. Am I supposed to put this in? Let me move it. Maybe when I figure out what it's used for. As long as it doesn't stop our washing. Start. I think we should do normal for the first time. Let's do normal first and see. Water level is 6. Okay. Okay. Wash, rinse, spin. Let me just wait small. Maybe to draw the water up. Okay, it's turning. Okay. You guys, don't worry. I think in there some time. The water has already started coming in. There's water. You just needed patience, which I don't have. I was wondering whether it was not working at all. This water level I put is too much. I think next time I'll just select according to the clothes. This one should be 2 safe. This clothes inside should be at 2 or 4. This 6 is for plenty clothes. It's now we're just wasting water. Oh, and you cannot change it. See? No problem. Next time I will know. We're going to the clothes. I think 2 that washed it, or 4 at most, not 6. 6 was much, but no problem. See, you see pouring water. Hey, so guys, I'll catch you guys when our clothes is done. We've made mistake with water. Next time we'll not. Okay, I understood it now. So in the next 45 minutes we'll be back to check our clothes. Yeah, it's good. So if I wash, I don't have to leave my clothes outside for a long time. And the washing machine is working very well, and it's almost dry, just for someone to touch it. So good.
Meanwhile,
hi guys, welcome back. Yeah, we came to buy TV. So this one is 65 inches and it's 935,000. 65. So you guys, mother wants to go to another showroom so that we can check, but I'll be going home. He will do small vlog for me. So anyhow, I'll carry you guys along. I'm going, it's almost time for school dismissal, so I can't go with him. He'll send me the one we'll buy on WhatsApp so we can choose.
A few moments later.
We are doing my monitor unboxing. Yeah, so this is it. Should I bring scissors? Yeah? Yes. I'm going to do something else. Now I'm doing it. but it's taking shape. Well, this one is actually big enough for me to do what I want to do. It's big. The other one would have been too big for me, but and this table. Okay. Turn this way, good.
Like this?
Let me see. Okay. Okay. It's fine. Okay. This is the CPU. Yeah. Intel Core i9, yes, XPS. I think this one is either air cool or water cool. I'll ask my husband later. I'll just go back again because I'll still put my work seats there. Is another one? Yes, it's better that way. That one is what? Okay, I don't need it there. You guys, so beautiful. What is it?
Would you like to connect to PC to your monitor?
Just one. Yeah, you touch it.
Use the control.
Oh. Yay! It's very bright. Connect to go there to this Starlink. So. Oh, it came with co-pilot. Yeah. I just say good afternoon to your cousin. See? Do you like my computer?
Yeah, but it's not YouTube.
Which YouTube? Don't even come here. Yay! It's working.
Which is download the
Yes, Python. What about Microsoft? I'm the one that put everything.
Everything is inside. You just put only a setting.
Okay.
The search. Okay.
Oh. Okay.
Once you type word, it will come out.
Oh.
Word 260.
Okay. Wow. Thank you so much. You guys, I'm using my monitor for the first time. Oh, let me do this. I'll come back. Can I even remember how to sign in again? That's signing with GitHub that time. Wait first. Everything is working well. Yay! I think this is the one I'll start very soon. This mentorship corner. Very nice. Yeah. These wires, I don't know how to do it. Yeah? I know how to put some things here. But I'll change this keyboard. It has some Chinese crap. My boss has changed it. Got another one anyway. Let me show you guys. This one is wireless and it's fine. It's that silver color. I think it fits this. Let me check it. Oh, I'll put this one. What do you think? This one is wireless. This one has wire. So I'm going to remove this one so I can reduce the wiring going on over there. So I'll be using this one. Yes, I'm very excited. I'm happy. It's working. Yeah, so I'll download on my app. Let me check Google Colab. Yeah. Google Colab. Let me check it out. I'm going to run some code later. Let me see how fast it can be. Yay! I'm so happy. Yeah, guys, let me just end this video here. So far, if you're right to those parts, don't forget to give a massive thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're right to do so. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.